projects on JS. Yeah, okay. Shashi sir means it's tons of projects. I'll teach you many projects. You don't worry. I'm not a theoretical person. Okay, I'll be develop n number of projects for you. I'll already memories are thought. Okay, about that projects thing. Okay, Akshay. Okay, I'll take it here. Okay, I'll check with them. Okay, I'll let you know that one. Okay, let me start, guys. CD. What's your project yesterday created? CD. J2E students JavaScript. Open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, super. Okay, I think why the people are okay. You people look at this. You people don't have an interest. One thing even I got to know that one. I don't know. Okay, only for jobs people are doing all those things. One thing I'm telling you, if you have a knowledge to getting job, that is not that much of difficult. Only knowledge less people getting difficulty getting a job. Trust me. Trust me. If you have a knowledge, definitely you can crack that interviews. Here, the important thing is knowledge, skills. If you have a skills, any company, guys, definitely they'll hire you. They are not looking what is that other aspects thing. They are looking at what is that one, how you people are coding. Okay, have you done any projects? Do you have a GitHub repo? Okay, if you have a GitHub repo, you can show me. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Yesterday, what do you learn, guys? Maybe local variable, global variable. Correct. I hope everyone understood that. Correct. No, local variable and global variable. Inside a function, what's a variable? Inside a function, what's a variable? Local. Outside a function, what's a variable? Global. Within a function, without var keyword. Inside a function, without var keyword. Example like this. Look at this. Function test example x equal to 10. Okay, tell me what is this? This is local variable or a global variable? This one. Yes, it's a global variable. It's a global variable. Without var keyword, that goes to global. If you write var, what happens? If it is var, what happens? It's a local variable. It's a not here. Not here. It's a local variable. Example, here you can run this. Console.log. Yes. Okay, now, yes. Now, guys, what is this letter? What is this letter? What is the use of letter? Data type? No. See, let is the a new keyword for declare variable in ES6 onwards. ES6 onwards. What is that one? Let is the new keyword for declare variable in ECMAScript 6 onwards. I think you people heard about ECMA. What is this ECMA? What is this ECMA? What is this ECMA? Do you have aware about that? This ECMA? Yes, European Computer Manufacture and Association. This is an organization. This organization, it is giving specifications to JavaScript or LiveScript or JScript. This is an organization just like Oracle, just like Sun Microsystem, like that. Sun Microsystem or Oracle giving specifications to Java. just like that, for JavaScript, this is the organization. This is the organization giving specifications. Specifications means updation. Example Java 1, Java 2, Java 3, Java 3, Java 4, like that, right? Example for JavaScript. We have a versions. To maintaining the version, giving information or giving updations to that programming language that is maintained by ECMA, European Computer Manufacture and Association. European Computer Manufacture Association. Yes. Now guys, see, let x equal to, look at this, here you can call, no problem. The same, it is similar to war keyword. See, it is working, no problem. Look at this, it is working. What is that one? Node J2E, hello world JS. Look at this, Shashi is coming. Tell me, what is the use of this let keyword? Do you have an idea about this? What is the use of let keyword? What is the use? What's the benefit of this let? What's the benefit of let? Do you have an idea about that? We can reassign the value. Yes, we can reassign the value, local scope. Okay. I understood. Already you know that one. Example, I'll be writing one if condition. If true, if it is true. Okay. Now I'll be writing console.log. Yes. What is that one? Yes. I like JavaScript. Okay. Now else console.log. No, I don't like JavaScript. What is the difference? What is the difference between this one and this one? Which block will execute? Do you have idea? Definitely the true block will be executing. Yes. Look at this. Yes. I like JavaScript. If it is false, definitely that else block will be executing. Correct? No? Yes. Now what I will do now, instead of this, okay, I'll be calling let, I think I'll be calling war language JavaScript. War language JavaScript. Can I print here? The language? Is it work? Why it is not working? Why it is not working? Because this is local scope. Okay. Now no, still it is not working now. It will work or not? Guys, this is global scope. This is global scope in JavaScript. This is not local scope. This is global scope. Example C. It is running. Look at this JavaScript. It is running. Example here you can call, I think, smiley. Look at this. It is coming. It is working. Means in JavaScript, if a block, this is not similar to your Java. This is if it is var keyword outside a function, that is global scope. That's it. Outside a function. This is outside a function. It could be any block. It could be if block or while block or for block, whatever it may be. that is considering, that is global scope. Example, if you want to check, you can run this live server. Yes, you can debug it. Sorry, you can debug this. Hello world. Okay, I think I'll remove breakpoint. Yes, here you can call this breakpoint. Okay, this breakpoint. Okay, now, yes, I think I'll be taking this breakpoint, this language breakpoint. Refresh. Yes. Now look at this. Now look at this. Here we have a script. Observe here. Here we have a that x. Here we have a x. Yeah. That goes to your global scope, script scopes. I think somewhere is there. Yes. Okay, I think somewhere is there. Yes. Yeah, look at this. Languages, JavaScript. Okay, now what is this one? What is that one? That is global scope. This is global scope. Understanding? What is that one? I think maybe this. Yes. What is that one? Inside, if, inside, if, or, what is that? Inside if, or while, or else, or switch, or for, or whatever, try, catch, whatever. What is that one? Inside, if, while, else, switch, for, do while, what is that one? That, what is that one? Variable, if it is if, while, else, switch, for, do while block, variable is going to global scope. Please remember this. If it is var keyword, if var inside var keyword, if while else switch for do while block, variable is going to global scope. Please remember, this is a disadvantage in JavaScript. In other programming languages, these are our local scope. Other programming languages, these are our global scope. But in JavaScript, this is, sorry, in other programming language, that was, what is that one? Local scope. But in JavaScript, this is global scope. Understood? Example, look at this. Now this is accessible outside this block. Accessible outside this block. One more example, you can write a for block, variable I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 10, okay, I plus plus. Now here you can declare, what is that one? Love Java. Yes, I love Java. Yes. Now you can print this console.log I and give semicolon. Now here you can print. What is the output you are getting now? Yes. What is the output you are getting now? Let me know. What is the output you are getting? Here 0 to 10 and I love Java. Yes. Look at this. Now look at this 0 to 10 and after that I love Java because this is available outside this block also. Outside this block also. Understood? This is compared to other programming languages disadvantage. Here, this variable by default, it is not protected. It is not protected. The data is going outside this curly braces, outside this block. So, if you want to make it local to compare to other programming languages, ECMAScript 6. What is that one? ECMA 6 introduced concept called lat and const. Lat and const. They introduced concept called lat and const. These lat and const are ES6 blocked scope. What do we call as blocked scope? Blocked scope. What these two are? These two lat and const are block scope. What these two are? Let and const are block scope. Means that syntax should be like this. Okay, if it is one curly braces means that is block scope. That is block. Example, I'll give you. Okay, I'll be commenting this. Yes, observe here. I'll be writing one block. Can I write? It is valid JavaScript code. Can I write block like this? Can I write block like this? Is it valid? Yes. Now I'll be writing one more block. Can I write like this? Is it valid? Yes. Now what I will use now, I'll be taking not var, and that is var. I is equal to, what is that one? Shashi. I think I'll be taking, okay, I think, yes, x equal to, I am global scope. Okay, now I'll be using lat x equal to, I am block scope. Block scope. Okay, look at this, the same variable I'm using. Just observe here, this is disabled and this is highlighted. That white color means it is access outside this block. Look at this. Now you can call console.log x. Console.log x, it is printing here. Observe here. Yes, I'm a global scope because it is available outside this block. Okay, Karthik, what is it? Karthik said, tomorrow is there any class because I'm traveling to Bengaluru in tomorrow night and reach 24th to July of evening, so I am unable to attend 2 to 3 day class. Okay, now guys, you people are getting confusion. You people are also making me confusion. I don't know, some people are, sir, I need online class. Some people are saying that, sir, I need offline class. Sir, I'm traveling, sir. What can I do? You only give me a suggestion. Okay, na Karthik. Guys, please decide one thing. I cannot do both. Okay, because if you want offline classes, okay, if you want offline classes, definitely I'll give you tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or Sunday. Till Sunday, I'll give you break. Monday onwards, I'll do it offline classes for you if you need it. Because you don't want, if you want job, guys, you should come. Please, okay. Otherwise, you people, please check with your management team because I'm unable to answer this question. Trust me, some people are doing online, some people are liking offline. What can I do? You only tell me. Okay. This is okay. Maybe I'll check with the management team. I'll inform you. Okay, maybe I don't have a group. I think maybe through Instagram or through what is that one? What is that one? One more is there. Okay, I'll decide. Please don't distract now. Now I'm explaining now. Even I forgot now what to do now. I think you people distracted me. What to do now? What was the thing I thought? Yes. See. Yes. If it is var keyword within this block, see this two curly braces called block. These two curly braces called block. If it is var keyword, this is global scope. This is global scope. If it is let keyword, it goes to what is that one? Blocked scope. Please remember, this is not local variable. This is called blocked variable or blocked scope. In JavaScript, we have three scopes. One is global scope, another one is local scope, another one is blocked scope. This is not local. This is called blocked scope because we are using let keyword. If it is let keyword, example, you can comment this. It is throwing error now. Immediately it is throwing error. Look at this. What is that one? What is the error? Reference error. What is that one? Reference error. You are getting that. What is that one? X is not defined. Not defined. Why X is not defined? X is only available this block. It is not going outside this block. This is not going outside this block. See now, if we getting error. Look at this. Reference error. X is not defined. Okay, now clear up. Look at this. This is called blocked scope. So look at this. X is declared the value, but you never read it because I'm printing outside this block. It won't work. It won't work. If it is var, it should work. If it is var, it should work. Look at this. If it is var, definitely it is working. Look at this. Now we'll be printing. I'm a global scope. I'm a global scope. A difference understood. The first difference of var and letter. The first difference understood. I hope already Manish have taught this. Yes or no? Okay. Example, if you want to check where is that blocked scope, yes, look at this. Now you can check here. Definitely now it is working. Now inside this block, yes, look at this, it is working. Yes, look at this. I'm a blocked scope and I'm a what is that one? Global scope. Within this block, you can use this yes. Okay, now that's it. Now, if you want to debug this, you can debug it. You can debug. Look at this, you get to know that one. Remove breakpoint, refresh. Refresh. Now go to allow.world.js. Now you can make it this. And you can refresh. Now you can check which scope. Look at this. What is the scope here? What is the scope here? Please remember, what is the scope here? The scope belongs to block scope. Yes, I'm a blocked scope. It is global scope or blocked scope. Tell me, now it goes to which memory now? Blocked scope. Understood? All of you understood. This is not local. This is called blocked scope. Please don't call it local scope. This is blocked scope. When this is local scope, within function, example, jspiders, example, variable x equal to I am local scope. Yes. Now, example, here you can execute this console.log x. Now here we can call what is that one? jspiders function. Now you can refresh. Look at this. 3x are there. 1x, second one, and third one, but different missions. Correct. This is global memory allocation. This is block memory allocation, and this disable this breakpoint, or you can remove this breakpoint. Now you can refresh this. Yes. Now first thing, make it 92, blocked scope. And after that, make it 99. And after that, you can call the last one. Where is that one? I think right now, okay, leave it. I think I need to call this one also. Console dot log. What is that one? X. That is blocked scope. Yes, I think I'll call it this one. I think I'll be, yes. Now example, now you can refresh. Yes. Refresh. Yes. Observe your hello world of first one. What is that one? Blocked scope. Is there a 92? It's a blocked scope. 92, it's a blocked scope. Yes. I'll close it. Now next one. What is that one? Global scope. I'll go to global scope. I think you can check now. Global is there. Where is that? Yes. I think somewhere is there. Where is that one? Yes, look at this. I'm a global scope. Yes, that one also you can close it. That one also you can close it here. Yes, where is that one? That one also you can close it. And one more thing. What is that one? Function scope. You can run this. Yes, this is, look at this, local scope. I am a local scope. 3 scopes. Look at this, local scope, global scope, and what is that one? Blocked scope. Blocked scope already we learned already. I think that one you also want, you can call this. Look at this, like this. One more time, you can call this. Yes. Look at this, blocked scope, local scope, and that one. Yes. Look at this, block or global or local. Understood? Clear? Clear? How many scopes in JavaScript? How many scopes? Okay, I think I'll tell you. How many scopes? The first one. JavaScript is having 3 scopes. The first one, global scope. Second one, local scope. Third one, blocked scope. I think block. Okay, now global scope means what is that one? Var keyword outside a function. Outside a function and inside a function without var keyword. Without var keyword. This is, what is that one? Global scope. Local scope means, what is that one? Var keyword inside a function. Inside a function, that is, what is that one? Local scope. That is local scope. That is local scope or function scope or function scope. That's it. That's it. Yes, the last one. Where is that last one? Where is that one? That's Vinula. Yes. Yes, the last one. What is that one? Block scope. Block scope. Yes, what is a block scope? Block scope means within a curly braces. Curly braces. Within a curly braces with let or const keyword. Const keyword becomes to, what is that one? Block scope. Block scope. That's it. Yes. That's it. 3 scopes. Local scope, blocked scope. I'll tell you Gulab, just a minute. Now understood, within a curly braces? Not within a curly braces. Okay, you can write wherever you want. If it is let means, that is blocked. I think this is not a right way to write that. With let or const keyword, it goes to blocked scope. Understood? All of you, clear this? Please, this is very, very important. Your interview question. Your interview question in your JavaScript. Now, the second time you people are learning, I hope 100% confident now. Many sir also thought, even I am also explaining this. Yes. What is the second difference between war and let? What is the second difference between war and let? This is the first difference. First difference, all of you understood? First difference, all of you understood? The scopes, three scopes. Local scope, global scope, block scope. Now, can I re-initialize value like this? X equal to 10 var x equal to Shashi. What is this? What is that one? Reassigning a, what is it? Please, one request, white background if it is possible. White background if it is possible. Okay, no problem. I think I think Dracula I'm using. Okay. Dracula's. I think Dracula. My personal favorite theme, but I'm changing this. Feeling bad. It's okay. It's okay. Light. Oh, definitely I want to change. Okay, I'll change it. Jumbo. Is it good? Is it good? White is better. Okay, I think your wish. Okay, end of the day, you should learn. That's it. Black is good. Oh, okay. Okay. I think Dracula. Yes, it looks awesome. This is after. This is it pleasant. Correct. This is good. My personal favorite. I think you people also like it. I think if you want, you can install that. You can use it. That Dracula theme is called Dracula. Okay. See, guys, what is the output you are getting? This is called reassigning a value. What is that one? This is reassign a value. Reassigning a value. Correct. In a memory allocation. Reassigning a value. Definitely you will be getting x becomes to, what is that one? Shashi. It's thought shot. Okay, no problem. What happened if it is, what happened? I think maybe already you know this one. What happened if you write letter, and I'll be taking y. What happened now? If it is let keyword, reassigning value is not working. It's not working. No. It will not get done. Immediately it is throwing error. What is that one? Reassigning a value is not working in let or const keyword. Yes, we can check now. Immediately it is throwing error. Look at this. Syntax error. Identifier X already been declared. You'll be getting error like this. Why? If it is var keyword, easily you can reassigning a value. But if it is let, you cannot do like this. Immediately it is throwing error, that one. What is that one? Identifier Y has already been declared. Okay, now understood this one now. Only reassign it's possible only with var keyword. Yes, reassigning means redeclare. Yes. Now you can write like this. Reassign value the same variable. You can reassign. It is working. Reassign or redeclare. Or what is that one? Declare. Declare, it's not possible. Declare. It's not possible in, what is that one? Let keyword. Now it is working. Because the same variable we are redeclaring. We are reassigning a value. But redeclaration, it won't work. Look at this. Now definitely you'll be getting Shashi. But here also, look at this. Both are working. No difference. This is X also working or Y also working. But if it is redeclare war or redeclare letdown, now it won't work. Redeclaration won't work. Yes, look at this, we'll be getting lines. Okay, now this is another difference. Now, one more difference. I think only that's it. You know that? Do you know another difference? You know another difference? Only that's it. Definitely, we have another difference. That is, what is that one? Variable hoisting. You people heard about variable hoisting? You people heard about? Yes. Variable hoisting only works with var. Example, x equal to Shashi. Yes. Now, guys, you can write console dot log x. Now it prints undefined. It prints undefined, undefined, undefined. Yes. Look at this. Easily it is works. Look at this. It is giving undefined. Later you can assign a value. Example. Later you can assign a value. But if it is let y is equal to Shishira. Shishira. Now console.log y. It won't work. It won't work. Won't work. What is that one? Won't work. Immediately it is throwing error. Look at this. Cannot access y before initialization. Before initialization. It won't work. Variable hoisting will not work with let keyword. Will not work with let keyword. Okay, now this is another difference. Another difference. Yes, it's working. No, it is going to undefined. Yes, in var it will work. Now, yes, it goes to undefined. Undefined means already you learned the data type. What is undefined? Declare a variable, not assigning a value. Then later it registered in a global object. Wherever you want, you can use it. Later you can use it. But here, this one, immediately it is throwing error. Cannot access y before initialization. Ora, that's it. That's it. Understood, all of you? Yes. Now, guys, what about const keyword? What const keyword? Example, Gautam. Example, Gautam. Yes. Can I? What is this const keyword? What is the use of const keyword, guys? What is the use of const keyword? Const keyword means initialization and what is that one? Declaration and assigning value only one time. You cannot reassign, you cannot redeclare. Example, this is one time declare, and assign a value. Okay, now example, we can check now. Yes, it's worked. We think maybe that's the problem. Yes, we command to this. Yes, look at this. Now it should work. Yes, look at this, Gautam. The second time, example, z equal to Shashi. It won't work. The reassignment, it won't work. Immediately it is throwing error. Assignment to const variable, it won't work. Only one time. And redeclaration also won't work. Example, const z equal to Shashi. This is also not working. Redeclaration, it's not possible. Again, we'll be getting error. Oh my God. Yes, look at this. Identifier Z already has been declared. Syntax error. we're getting syntax error like this. That's a difference. That's a different. Okay, const it's only used for one-time purpose, one-time declaration, one-time initialization, and assignment. This is all about let to const, and var. Clear? Yes. Okay, I think you people completed object, right? You people completed object, right? See. Okay, one more, please remember these all are what is that one? Primitive data types. The primitive data types means definitely these all are what is that one? Immutable in nature. Immutable in nature. Correct. You people know mutable, immutable. You people heard about these names, this terms, mutable and immutable. Example, primitive data types are mutable or immutable. Okay, so how said that? Immutable. Okay, some people are saying that immutable. Okay. Okay, in case string ID is immutable. Okay, if it is number, it is mutable. If it is true, it is mutable. Okay, see, I'll give you one example. Variable x equal to Shashi. What is this one? Is it string or its number or its character? What is this? This is a string. How do you check data type in JavaScript? How do you check data type in JavaScript? Type of. Exactly. Now we can call console.log type of x. Definitely it returns string. Yes, string. Now I want to change this Shashi into, okay, I want to change this S into M. Is it possible? Is it possible? I want to change this value. I want to change this character. Yes, I want to change this character. Yes. Is it possible? Yes, let me see. Okay, example. Um, okay, let y is equal to x0. Okay, x0 equal to what is that one? M. Yes, I think here this one we don't want. Okay, reassignment console.log x. What is the output? What is the output? What is the output? M Shashi. Okay. The Shashi only it is coming up. Why Shashi is only coming up? But this is that one. What is that one? This is what is that one? Immutable. Immutable. What is that one? Immutable. You cannot change this value. You cannot change this value. Look at this. Shashi is only coming. But you can call whatever. This is not updating because by nature this is immutable. Immutable means you cannot modify that value. But you can change that value. You can reassign that value. But you cannot modify this value because it goes to not a reference type. That is going to the same object ID. Go to same object ID. This is not reference type. That is reference type. Okay, now understanding this is not reference type. Here we have two types of data types, primitive types and reference type. If it is reference type, it goes to different memory. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you. Look at this. See, okay, observe here. What is this? Immutable. 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 What is this immutable means? You cannot modify. Can't modify data. But you can change the data. You cannot modify data. Immutable cannot modify data. Means not let, var x equal to example Shashi. Now example, I want to change example Yexa. What is that? 0 means this is first character. Example, you can check now. Console dot log x 0. That index value. What is that output? You'll be getting yes. Correct. The first character, yes. Understanding? The first character is yes. The second character is H, not H, A. Yes, A. Correct? This is you are reading the string. You are retrieving that string values. So, what I'm doing, I want to modify this S into M or N like this. X. Now I'll be taking 0 index equal to, can I write like this? Is it possible? Or Manu, can I do like this? Is it possible? Is it possible? No, it is not possible because string is immutable. That string means primitive. Primitive or mutable. What's that one? Immutable. Look at this. It is not at all updating. Not at all updating. Example, you can check console.log x. Look at this, the same Shashi is coming up. That is not coming Manu. Example, look at this, not at all changing. But you can change value. Look at this, you are not accessing. But you can change value. You can reassign value. But you cannot modify. You can change that value. Definitely now it is coming. What is that one? Manu. Definitely it is coming mono. Sorry, not like this. X. Yes, look at this. It is coming mono. Beginning it was Shashi, and after that I changed into Manu because this is we are reassigning a value, not modifying. We are reassigning. Please remember, this is modifying. This is called modifying. This is called reassigning. That is totally different now. Because we are rewriting exactly the same location, we are reassigning a value. But this is, we are not reassigning a value, we are updating a value. Updating is not working in a string. Venkata, I don't know. This is the totally different. You don't compare Java and JavaScript here. Correct. Why not primitive here means Java means I don't know about this. Because in JavaScript, you know how many days that taken this complete this programming language? I think you know who invented this JavaScript? Do you have idea about who invented JavaScript? Brendan Eich. Yes, Brendan Eich in 1995. In 1995, he invented JavaScript language. Within he written this language. He has taken 10 days. 10 days he completed programming language. Yes. He's taken 10 days complete this programming language. 10 days he written this programming language. Brendan each. 10 days. He taken 10 days to complete. So, n number of bugs. Because 10 days we cannot write that languages thing. Sorry. Because of that browser purpose, he written that JavaScript, he invented JavaScript within 10 days. So this is not proper structure. This is not proper structure. So many bugs are there. Already I told you that variable hoisting, even a blocked scope. Why we need all those stuff things? Yes, ECMA updated all the bugs. Yes, you are right to say it. ECMA is updated all the bugs. Some bugs are they let it be like that. They are not touching that thing. Okay, now yes. Now this concept understood. This concept understood. This one. This is a new. Understood why we are calling immutable? What is this immutable means? We can check. What is immutable? Immutable. Yes. What is immutable? Unchanging over a time, unchanged to be changed. Okay, now what is that one definition? Not capable of susceptible to change. You cannot change it. Cannot changeable. Okay, now immutable data. Look at this. That data should not be modified after they are created. This is called immutable. Even JavaScript primitive types are immutable. Understood? Yes, I did out this. Okay, now see, I'll give you one more example for this. Okay, I'll give you one more example for this. Okay, can you create string without literal type? Okay, what is this? This is string literal. You people heard about string literal constructor like that? Yeah, Karthik, I'll update it. You have a what is that one? A Telegram group, right? You all are in Telegram group, right? Okay, I'll inform to Shruti madam. Okay, can I call? Okay, I don't know. I think if people are ready, okay, I'll inform to Shruti madam. Okay, the people are they need break for the traveling purpose and all of that. Okay, tomorrow onwards, I'll give you break. Monday, I'll start offline classes for you. Is it okay for you? And one more thing, OLR have completed the first dose. Only those candidates, those students are allowing our institute. OLR not taken that vaccination, we will not allow. Only permission we given that one. OLR at least one dose completed. Only such students you can come to offline. Okay, now because you know that one, that second wave, how that drastic thing we see. So we don't want. Yes, that certificate is mandatory. Yes, the first dose certificate is mandatory. Okay, now yes, that's it. Yeah, third wave also coming. No, okay. See, first wave, second wave, third wave, but we need to survive our thing because the first wave, second. I think my thing. It, next to 2 or 3 years, this COVID will be there, man. It's not at all going. It's not at all going. Trust me. Definitely, it's there. Okay, okay. I don't know, yaar. I don't know. Okay. Please don't ask me anything to me, yaar. I think some people are saying even I'm getting confusion. Some people are saying that sir do offline sir. Some people are saying sir do online sir. Please give one proper thing. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, listen. I don't want to discuss about that one. Okay, no problem. Offline from Mondays. Okay. Let management decide. Okay, let management decide. We'll see. Mhm. Okay, 26. Okay, 26 onward, all education institute like colleges are reopening. Venkataraman. Okay, our institution also opened on 26th onwards. Okay, let management decide. We are not responsible for that. Just I'm a trainer. Just you are a trainer. Okay, students. We don't have a rights to do that. All those things. Let them decide. Okay, now let them decide that one. Okay, we will obey that order. Okay, now. Okay, now. Clear. Now people are clear. Let them decide. We don't want to discuss about this one because some people are do offline, some people are do what's that online. Let them decide. What the management taking decision? No, you will just obey that order. Just follow that order. Okay, na? Yes. Now, guys, this is called string literal. This is called string literal. String literal. Will you create string through constructor? Is it possible? Create string through constructor. How to do that one? Exactly like this. The constructor way. What is that one? A string constructor. String constructor. You can use string constructor like this. What is that one? Let x equal to new string. You can use new string like this. Here you can call Shashi. This is constructor way. This is constructor way. This is not primitive. Please remember. This is not primitive. This is object reference. Reference. This is object reference. This is non-primitive type. Example, you can check it. This is an object now. See, this is an object here. This is string object. Example, you can check now. Console.log type of x. It returns object. Look at this. It returns object. This return, what is that one? String. It returns string. Example, you can check. This is, what is it one? Primitive. This is primitive. This is primitive. Okay. This is, what is that one? This is, what is that one? Object reference. This is object reference. Example, here you can call console.log x. Now I'll be changing this x into y because cannot repeat again, right? That's why I'll put y here. Look at this. Now here you can check console.log type of y. Yes, it returns string. It returns string. It returns object. Look at this, like this. What happened? Y. Where did I declare any y somewhere? Type of x. Where is that one? Oh, correct, no? Yes, because it should be x. That variable I string will not work. Yes. Through left. Yes. Look at this. This is stringer. This is object. Clear? This is literal way and this is constructor way. This is string literal way. This is string literal way and this string constructor way. I hope this one you also learned, right? Manisha taught this. String constructor way. Yes. See, look at this. Now you can modify. Is it possible to modify, guys? Example, y 0 equal to m. Now, what is the output of this? Console.log y. 1 minute, guys.
Steps এই স্টেপ সুটা কথা কହୁଛୁ ତ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଥିଲି ଖାତାରେ
ଖାତାରେ ଲେଖିବ ପରେ ଜାଣିପାରିବନି ପୁଅ ଖାତାରେ ତ ମୁଁ ବି ଲେଖିଛି
Thank you, guys. Now we can check what is the output now, guys. This is mutable or immutable. This is mutable or immutable. Tell me now. This is mutable or immutable. Now you can let me see. There is that one, the string. Again, it is coming that y. Now, example, let x. I think maybe test. Example, I'll be taking test. Yes. Now here we can take test. Yes. Now look at this. Look at this. Now it is m. Means object reference means it is going to the different memory allocation, that reference types. It is taking some reference. It is taking reference. Now I want to change object into string. Object into string. Very simple. Now example, if you want to access, okay, you people already completed array. You people completed array. You people completed array. Correct, no? Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. This is the mutable. What is that mutable? I'll explain. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. See, the before that. Now I want to convert primitive type. Is it possible? String constructor into primitive. Is it possible? Is it possible to convert it into string? Is object reference into string? No? Yes, you can convert object into primitive. Is it possible? Is it possible? Example, you can do like this. Let convert to string or converted into primitive. It is possible with help of a method, instance method. With help of instance method called y dot. What is that one? Value of. You can convert, returns primitive value of the specified object. Please remember this. This is your interview question. How to convert constructor, string constructor or object reference into primitive type? You can use value of method, value of instance method. Now example here you can check. Example here you can check after conversion. After conversion. After conversion. Yes. Now here we can call console.log convert into primitive. Yes. Now here you can check console.log type of what is that one? Convert. Look at this, and this is your interview question. This is your interview question. Look at this. Beginning that was primitive, and this is what is that one? Object reference, and again we converted it into primitive. Again we converted into primitive with help of value of instance method. Value of instance method. Understood? Please write it down this notes, this program, simple program. How to convert object reference into primitive? How to convert object reference into primitive? All of you. How to convert object reference into primitive? With help of value of method. Help of value of method. Yes. Yes, exactly, Kancha. Well done, well done. Please write it down this. I'm going little bit basics thing, guys. I hope you people should wait. Maybe 2 or 3 days. I'll come to your topic. What is that one? Objects. Okay, now. I hope you people are understanding. Some people are there. You need to get my flow. I don't know about other trainers thing. Big example, if you want my flow, you should adjust this the basics thing, because already some people already completed. Okay, I think 2 or 3 days I'll come to what is that one functions. Functions already completed. I'll move on to objects. Yes, you can do that one, Firoz. Yes, you can do that. Yes, you can do that. No problem. Already Manisha thought template literal, right? Template literal or template string. Yes, that's it. Can I erase this? Okay. See, guys, welcome to. Okay. See. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Anybody knows? What is this? What is this? What is this syntax called? Array. 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 Okay. Const y is equal to this. What is this? Tell me. Which is array? First one, x or y. Which is array? Basic concept, guys. See, const z equal to this one, or here you can call const equal to tan, const equal to const, I think a. Okay, and b equal to 2, and const c equal to example, what is that one, and find, and const d equal to what is that one, null, and const a b c d e, okay, equal to what is that one, what's that, I'll be creating function. I hope you people know this one, right? I think you people know this. Saying what is null undefined? Oh, you don't know. You don't know what is null. Okay, listen. These are our literal types. These are literal ways. What is that word? Literal ways. Okay, example, this is object literal. This is object literal. This is array literal. Array literal. Yes, this is string literal, literal, and this is number literal. Okay, now this is Boolean literal, Boolean literal. Okay, and this is okay. Definitely, this is we don't have it. These two are special type. Special type. This is also not literal. These two are called special type in JavaScript. This is special type in JavaScript, and this is the function literal. Function literal. Literal. Most of the programming guys we are using in Java also we are using square bracket for this. Here the two curly braces means object literal. That square braces means array literals. Even double quotes or single quote or whatever. I think I'll give you idea about this one. I think you can use double quotes or single quote or backtick or backtick. These all are what is that one? String literals. Double quotes, single quote or backtick. We are called what is that? String literal. 10, this is number literal, and true, this is Boolean literal, and these two are special types. Now, how do you write in constructor way? I think how do you write? Is that one? Constructor way. Example, constructor way. Sorry, example. Yes, yes. Look at this. This is. I think this is a basics thing. Example, const. Okay. Const A1. I think maybe C1. I think constructor. 1 equal to new string. This is object. New object. This is your constructor. Const C2 new array. This is constructor. And const C3 equal to new string. This is constructor. And const C4, this is a new number. This is number constructor. Const C5 equal to new Boolean. This is Boolean constructor. Const C6. What is that one? Undefined, you cannot call it undefined like this. Look at this, you don't like this. Don't you? These two are special type. These two are, you cannot write like this. Now here we can create new function. You can create new function like this. You can create a new function like this. This is, what is that one? Constructor way. These are our constructor. What is that one? This is, what is that one? Object constructor. Object constructor. And this is array constructor. And this is string constructor. And this is number constructor. And this is Boolean constructor. And this is function constructor. Yes. What is that one? Constructor. Yes. Look at this. These are our literal way. Maybe most, yes, must be same as class name, then it is JavaScript. Yes. Look at this. Don't have a comparison between two different languages. See, please remember, if it is curly braces in JavaScript, that is object literal. Object literal. If it is square bracket means that is array literal. If it is double quote, single quote or backtick, that is string literal. If it is 10 or 10.1 or whatever, that is number literal. Now true, false, whatever, that is Boolean literal. These two are, what is that one? Special type. undefined and null or special type. And this is, what is that one? Function literal, and these all are the same thing. These all are, what is that one? Object. What is that one? Constructor. I hope this is entirely new for you. We'll remember this one now. Constructor way and literal way. Constructor way and literal way. We'll remember this. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you people are understanding this one by one now. Now you know, you get to know that one, what is literal and what is constructor thing. Now guys, most of the things, look at this easily. Most of the time we are using literal way. This one we are avoiding. As a developer, we are almost avoiding this constructor way. 90% we are using, what is that one? Literal ways. Okay, now literal ways. Literal way means with help of, okay, what is that one? Symbols. Example, this is object. It is coming from object. Instance object. This is coming from object constructor class. And this is coming from array constructor class. And the string is coming from string constructor class. And it is coming from, where is that one? With help of that brackets. Example with symbols. And these all are very popular in JavaScript. But this one we are not using much. Sometimes we require this, but most of the time we are using this literal ways. I am recommending you guys, always you should use this literal ways. Most of the programming in JavaScript we are using literal ways. Okay, now what's the literal ways types and what is the constructor way types? Example, okay, I'll teach you this object or arrays or string or all those two things. Example, see, if you want literal way here, how do you call key and value pair? Correct. All of you completed object classes? Completed object classes, right? Yes. Inside object, what is there? Okay, one more. What is this then? What is this? Is it object literal? This is object literal. Is it object literal? Is it object literal? Yes, no guys, this is not object literal. It denotes, it represents, this is block. This is block. This is called block. If you declare a variable, this is considered, what is that one? This is object literal. This is object literal. Okay, now only curly braces, that means what is that one? That is block. That's it. That is block. Please don't confuse that one. If you are assigning a variable, example, you declare a variable, if it is curly braces, that means that is object literal. Only curly braces, that is block. That is block of code. Example, every time you are using block. Example, see, this is block. Observe here, that color, that is a block. Example, here you can call, what is that one? For, that is a block. Correct. That curly braces, that is a block. Example, here you can call while, that's a block. Correct. Example, here you can call do, that's a block. You can call while, that's a block. Example, here you can write switch, that's a block. Okay, now understood? These all are blocks. What is that? These all are blocks. This is block. Yeah, no, we don't have a special types. Okay. Clear? What is block or what is object literal? In every day, we people are using, in Java also people are using this blocks. The curly braces means block, but assigning a value as a curly braces, that is object literal. What's that? Assign assign a value as braces, curly braces, curly braces. That is object literal. Okay, now clear? Now you got that clear picture now? What is object literal and what is block? Yes. That's it, guys. Tomorrow I'll teach you object 5. Okay. I'll teach you object 5 because I don't want to digging more on to because people already completed array. Already completed